Harvest of the Month time. This month we are featuring spinach salad. You can eat spinach by itself or give your next salad a nutrition boost by adding spinach to your lettuce mix. You can buy spinach by the bunch or find it in a variety of salad mixes in your local supermarket. Spinach leaves are packed with nutrients such as vitamin A, C, K, iron, and fiber, just to name a few. Spinach can be enjoyed raw or cooked, tastes great in salads, soups, and on sandwiches, and even great in a cool, refreshing smoothie. Have you had your greens today?
Hello students, and welcome to this month's edition of Harvest of the Month. Today we have an extra treat. Our special guest and recipe contest winner, Natalia Perez. She will demonstrate her delicious strawberry and spinach salad. It is sweet, tart, nutritious, and absolutely delicious. I don't know about you, Natalia, but I'm getting hungry. Are you ready to get started?
Yes.
Let's get cooking. First, we gather all of our ingredients, starting with 1 bunch of fresh spinach, 1 cup of sliced sweet strawberries, half a cup of diced chicken breasts, half a cup of shredded mozzarella cheese, 1/4 cup of roasted and salted sunflower seeds, and we finally drizzle with zesty balsamic vinaigrette.
I also love this recipe with crumbled feta cheese and chopped with roasted pecans in place of the mozzarella cheese and sunflower seeds. I even make a fresh balsamic vinaigrette with honey for an extra kick of flavor. It's so delicious and feels healthy too.
That sounds amazing. Now that our recipe is complete, what do you say we give it a try?
Sounds good.
Wow, it is so bright and delicious. I wish we made more.
That's why I love the best. The flavors combined are incredible. The freshness of the spinach, the sweetness of the strawberries, the savoriness of the chicken, cheese, and seeds are so well paired with dressing. Are you sure we don't have any more ingredients?